Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Nourish Nectar. Today we are diving into one of Ayurveda's most powerful detox and weight management therapies, that is nothing but Udvartana. This is not your regular massage. It's a unique herbal powder massage that deeply cleanses, exfoliates and rejuvenates your body. Let's explore everything you need to know. What is Udvartana? The word Udvartana comes from the Sanskrit word Ut, that is nothing but upward, plus Vartana, to move, meaning to move something in an upward direction. In Ayurveda, Udvartana is a special kind of massage using dry or medicated powder, usually applied in upward direction, that is against a hair growth. It's not just a beauty therapy but also therapeutic one. So Udvartan is nothing but herbal powder massage or dry powder massage or Ayurvedic body scrub. So the benefits of this Udvartana is which reduces excess fat, improves skin tone, complexion and glow, removes dead skin and open pores, reduces bad body odor, enhance blood and lymphatic circulation, breaks cellulite and fat blocks, improves digestion and metabolism, relieves heaviness and stiffness, balances kapha dosha, excellent for weight loss and skin disease. So let's move on to types of Udvartana. So there are two types, Snigdha Udvartana and Ruksha Udvartana. Snigdha Udvartana is nothing but unctuous, that is uses medicated herbal paste made from powder plus oil or ghee. So this is best for vata and dry skin types. Second, Ruksha Udvartana, which is dry, that is using dry herbal powder only, which is effective for kapha and medo dushti, which is nothing but obesity, lethargy and dullness. So now let's move on how this Udvartana procedure is carried out. So first, Abhyanga, which is optional. So sometimes mild oil massage is done. And second one, selection of powder. So here herbal powder like Triphala, Musta, Vacha, Haridra, Kulatta, etc. are chosen according to your body type. And application. Powders are rubbed vigorously on body in an upward direction, that is pratiloma, that is that nothing but against the hair follicles. And fourth step is massage. Firm pressure with rhythmic strokes by hand or cloth pouches, that is nothing but potali, for 30 to 45 minutes has to be done. Next, steam, which is optional, can be followed by Svedana to enhance detox. Then you can bath with lukewarm water.